Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. That'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you are into taking really close photography and you want to just use your cell phone, because our cell phone cameras are super powerful nowadays and you get the same results versus those point and shooters. So this was sent over by a company called APEXEL, and this is their MIAO Lab phone series. It's really, really cool. The model is the MS3L. So once you open it up, you're obviously going to get a user manual that tells you all about it. We're covering the features here in the video. You're going to get a nice little carrying bag to keep it nice and protected when you're not utilizing it. You're gonna get a little cleansing cloth so that way you can keep the lenses nice and clean. And then you're gonna get a USB to USB Type-C power cable. This is how you're gonna charge up the built-in battery on this guy. So then here is the phone clip itself. So very, very easy to utilize, and it's gonna have basically 3 types of magnifications on it, which I find really nice. So it has a 40 times magnification, has an 80 times magnification, and then it has 120 magnification. Very easy to change those. You're gonna notice there's a little dial here. Just simply rotate it around and it's gonna go ahead and change those magnification types. So if you're wanting to capture like bugs or maybe a flower or anything like that, and you need to adjust that, very, very simple. You don't have to remove it. You don't have to unscrew or any lenses or anything like that. Now it's gonna fit pretty much with all your major phones out there, whether it's Google, whether it's Samsung like I have, whether it's Apple. Very easy. It's gonna have this little adjustable clip here. Even has a little adjustable wingtip end, so that way it sits flush with your phone. Once it's nice and secure, you're gonna hand it, twist the end part of it, and that's gonna lock it in place. And so all you're gonna do is line up the hole over the lens you wanna utilize. Now, if you are using a camera that has like the auto micro filter on it, go ahead and disable that, because they will start conflicting with each other. You want to go ahead and utilize this instead of having it do it on its own as far as the AI aspect of it being utilized. And then another cool feature on it, on the side is a power button. That's what you're gonna hit to turn on this nice little LED light on the end. So if you're really wanting to light up a subject, make it nice and even lit, you can do that. And it's got a lot of light modes. So you have a nice warm light. You can then put it in a half warm light. You can do the other direction on the half, or you can switch to the white light, and then same thing, half on either side, and then it even has a UV light. So if you are wanting to take pictures of currency or stamps or anything, you've got that little UV light aspect as well. It can also create some cool artistic elements of itself. Now, turn it off, just go ahead and hold down that power button, and it will go ahead and turn off. On the other side is where you're gonna see that USB-C plug, where to go ahead and charge it up. This does have a 100 mAh battery, but those LEDs don't draw a lot of power. So depending on what setting you're utilizing, if you're utilizing the brightest one, it's gonna last you about 6 hours. You know, so give or take a little bit. So depending on your setting, but easily last for whatever shoot you're wanting to do. But overall, like I said, it's really, really cool little aspect, turning your little cell phone camera into some incredible pro more shots. If you're into the market and you're looking for a great kind of phone microscope, this thing is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.